how you can find your profile user ID of Facebook. What you need to do is log in your Facebook account into a browser and not on the app. You need to open your account on a browser, any of the browser that you have that is available on your device, and then go to your profile. And then tap on the three dots and copy the link to your profile. Then what you need to search for is lookupid.com. Tap on go and copy the link that you just got and tap on lookup. After tapping on it, you'll get a code which you need to copy. After copying it, make sure you're logged in on your Facebook account on the same browser. Then go to facebook.com and slash and paste that user ID and then tap on go. And you can see that you directly reach to your account, which means in this way you can find your Facebook profile user ID. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.